In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to edit a template on Canva. So once you've received the link, you will click on the bottom here where it says use template for new design. That will then send that straight into your Canva. And you can use the free version of Canva to change any of these templates. So you probably will want to change the font to make it your on brand for you. So if you just click on this here and then at the top, this will then list all of the fonts. So if we change this to Montserrat, and then if you look here on the left hand side, it says change all. If you click that, that will literally then change the title heading of every single template to that particular font. You do need to be a bit careful though with the size, so you'll need to slightly alter that just to get that all on one title. And we can change the colour. So we click on this box here, and this will show you the colours of the actual document. So that's all of the templates. You may have your own brand and your own branding colours. It will also show you the photo colours for all of this as well, default colours and gradients. But if we just pick, let's just pick this green, and again, if you click change all, that will then change all of these into that beautiful green colour. And then here you can put your website, your Etsy shop, whatever, your Facebook, your Instagram. And if you also want to, you can add on your logo onto here. So if you go to wherever your logo is, you may have it under brand, you may have it under uploads. But again, you can, I'll just show you actually how to upload it. So if I go to my logo here, upload, and then if we just drag it into wherever you want that logo to go, we can make it smaller, so it could go at the bottom, wherever really it kind of fits on the design. And then here, this is where you're going to want to add in your product details, okay? So again, I'm going to upload, and let me just, okay, so that's uploaded, and we just drag that across, okay? And that then fits into this square there, or you can move it into this one or into this one. Okay, if you just click on it, it's just going to click into the middle of the screen, and you can't then get it into, well, you can if you drag it down, but if you just do it like that, it doesn't necessarily work. So dragging it in is probably the best way to do it. You can also change where you want the photo to go, so you can drag it up, drag it down, depending on the position of where you need it to be. And that is quickly showing you how you can change any of these templates to make it branded for yourself.